Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a technique that's been taking the internet by storm, mewing. You might have seen it on TikTok or heard whispers about it from fitness influencers, but what exactly is mewing, and can it really transform your jawline? Let me tell you, the before and after pictures of mewing are staggering. We're talking sharper cheekbones, a more defined jawline, and even an improvement in overall facial symmetry. But before you jump into mewing like a frog after a fly, there's more to it than just sticking your tongue on the roof of your mouth. In fact, improper mewing can actually lead to negative side effects. That's why in this comprehensive guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about mewing. What it is, the science behind it, proper technique, potential benefits, and any risks to be aware of. So buckle up and get ready to become a mewing master. What is mewing? Mewing is a postural technique that involves resting your tongue in a specific position against the roof of your mouth while maintaining proper body posture. Proponents believe that this practice can help improve facial structure, particularly the jawline and cheekbones. The science behind mewing. Now, the science behind mewing is a bit murky. There haven't been many in-depth studies to definitively prove its effectiveness. However, some theories suggest that mewing might encourage proper facial development, improve oral posture, strengthen facial muscles. The act of holding your tongue in position throughout the day might provide a slight workout for your facial muscles, leading to a more sculpted appearance. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of mewing technique, discuss the potential benefits in more detail, and explore any risks or side effects you should be aware of. We'll also answer some frequently asked questions and provide tips to help you master the art of mewing. Stay tuned. Mastering the mewing technique. Alright, now that you understand the basics of mewing, let's get down to the real nitty-gritty, how to do it properly. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Posture is key. Before focusing on your tongue, ensure good posture. Sit up straight with your shoulders relaxed and your head held high. Imagine a string pulling you straight up from the crown of your head. 2. Find your tongue's happy place. Close your mouth gently, keeping your lips together without strain. Now focus on your tongue. Imagine it's a wide, flat disc. Press the entire tongue, front to back, against the roof of your mouth palate. The back of your tongue should rest near the soft tissue at the back of your throat. 3. No teeth touching. This is crucial. Your tongue should be pressing against your palate, not your teeth, avoiding clenching your jaw or pushing your teeth together. 4. Engage the swallow. Swallowing is a vital part of mewing. When you swallow, imagine pushing your tongue even firmer against the palate for a second before releasing. This swallowing technique is different from the forceful gulping some people might be used to. 5. Maintain throughout the day. The key to mewing's effectiveness is consistency. Aim to maintain this tongue posture throughout the day, even when you're not actively thinking about it. It might feel strange at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. Potential benefits of mewing. While scientific evidence is still limited, proponents of mewing claim it can lead to several benefits, including improved jawline definition. By promoting proper facial development and strengthening the jaw muscles, mewing might help achieve a more sculpted and defined jawline over time. Enhanced facial symmetry. Proper tongue posture can theoretically influence the symmetrical growth of facial bones, leading to a more balanced and aesthetically pleasing appearance. Improved breathing habits. By keeping your airway open with proper tongue positioning, mewing can potentially promote better breathing habits, leading to increased oxygen intake and overall well-being. Frequently asked questions about mewing. 1. How long does it take to see results from mewing? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Some people might notice subtle changes within weeks, while others might require months or even a year to see significant results. Consistency is key, and individual factors like age and genetics will also play a role. 2. Is mewing safe? When done correctly, mewing is generally considered safe. However, if you experience any pain or discomfort in your jaw, teeth, or head, stop immediately and consult a dentist or orthodontist. 3. Can mewing help straighten teeth? The effectiveness of mewing for teeth alignment is debatable. While some claim it can subtly improve teeth position, more reliable results are likely achieved through traditional orthodontic treatments like braces or retainers. Mewing is a popular technique with potential benefits for facial aesthetics and oral health. However, the lack of robust scientific evidence necessitates a cautious approach. Remember, it's not a miracle cure, and results will vary depending on your age, genetics, and commitment. That's all we have on mewing for today. We hope this comprehensive guide empowered you to make informed decisions about this trending technique. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative content on health and wellness. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried mewing and your experience with it. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep striving for your best self.